Butcher's Block all beef hot dog review. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. This video is going to be a quick Butcher's Block hot dog review. So I got these 4 hot dogs from Butcher's Block. They were a little bit expensive, $9.08 for 4 all beef hot dogs, but as you can see, they look really good, really delicious. So yeah, let's go test it out. I'll go make one hot dog, see how it works. I'm going to pair that with my brioche hot dog buns that I really like. So yeah, that's going to be a quick hot dog. All right, let's go. It looks like it's doing good. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's doing real good. Alright. Gonna leave it alone. Alright, we're looking good. We're looking real good. Alright, I think I got it done. We're gonna go to the bun. There it is. Beautiful. Nice. Here it is, guys. It's Butcher's Block all beef hot dog. Gonna go this way. Alright, here's the hot dog. It's all beef, Butcher's Block. They sell good meats, but it comes at a price. It's definitely not cheap. So I'm just mustard on this one. It's good. Real good. Brioche bun. Ooh, mustard? Yeah. Real good hot dog, man. Good stuff. That's it. If you're looking for a good quality hot dog, you don't mind paying, is it like $2.25 a hot dog? Yeah. If you don't mind paying that price, stop by Butcher's Block. This is good. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you in the next one. Bye.